In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and use views in TinyTables, and more importantly, why views are useful. Let's start with a simple scenario. Imagine two people are working on the same table. One wants to sort the data by age in ascending order, while the other wants it in descending order, or maybe even apply different filters. Instead of changing the table again and again, you can create different views for different use cases. So let's see how to do that. At the top of your table, you'll see a plus icon. Click on it and select Create View. A pop-up will appear where you can name your view. I'll name this one View, and then click on Create. Now, your new view is created. Inside this view, you can apply your own configurations. For example, I'll sort the data by age and set it to descending order. If you look at this view now, the data is sorted as per our configuration. But here's the important part. If you switch back to the default view, you'll notice that nothing has changed there. The original table remains exactly the same. This is what makes views powerful. You can create multiple views for different needs without affecting the base data. Now, let's look at a few more things you can do with views. If you have multiple views, you can search for a specific view using the search option. If the view doesn't exist, it will simply show no results. You can also manage your views easily. You can rename a view, duplicate it, hide it, or delete it. For example, if you want to rename a view, click on the rename option, enter the new name, and it will update instantly. Similarly, you can right-click on a view and delete it if it's no longer needed. So this is how you can create and manage views in TinyTables, making it easier to work with the same data in different ways without any conflicts. And honestly, all it takes is a TinyCommand